Towers. Zati hobo wakatomborova escalator ineyo vachifanira pinda asi vakazombonodzosirwa kumba kunzi zvaramba asvika special uyu haasi asvika first timer yo Towers fair nose gang simba rangu remagesi robva atapinda people first thing tanga nechikafa uma chikafu chemudege maningiriskins jaje ndataura achiti sharats in UK fair Trevor D DJ nose gang like beauty thinking of a master plan DJ Towers mucha wadidanga we needed some good time, good weed, good liquor. All I know I need is a bad girl. So basically, this is what they look like when they be hosting. Yeah. So that's how exciting it is for these motherfuckers.
So alongside the family business,
guys, a lot of people you're looking for tickets. We still have tickets, but you need to contact David, the Afro Kings guy, and then we can sell the tickets for you. But they're going for £40.
Funa kuita tukuta tudzokera nezuva ratava nariri shamai because zvemakore nekutonhorwa handingambozvigone. Yeah. Yo, what's up guys? This no lie. It's an official statement. Show's been sold out. All tickets are gone. To avoid chaos, Garaigumba.
Another one for him.
Especially for Towers. Ndaudza kudhara umatola zvose choro namapronzi Shingirira Zimconnect weekenda Zamara Wawana Corona Even Gavak